Infectious diseases, page 17 in the revision guide. Pathogens are organisms that spread infectious diseases. They're often called microbes, microorganisms, because they're only visible underneath the microscope. Infectious diseases are those caused by pathogens. They spread from person to person in many different ways. Examples of diseases. Cholera bacteria are usually found in water contaminated with sewage. Viruses that cause cold and flu are airborne, meaning that they pass from one person to another person via moisture droplets from coughs and sneezes. Salmonella is a type of food poisoning from chickens. Good food hygiene and cooking food thoroughly prevents salmonella. HIV is a virus that causes AIDS. It destroys some of the white blood cells, which help defend the body against pathogens. HIV is spread by the exchange of body fluids. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection that thrives in moist and warm conditions. Athlete's foot is spread by skin contact or contact with contaminated surfaces. Endotoxins are poisons produced by pathogens. Bacteria that cause diarrhea produce endotoxins, which cause the intestinal wall to contract violently and more frequently than usual. This leads to severe dehydration because of digested food and water not being absorbed.
These are insect-borne diseases. Now, animal vector is an animal that spreads pathogens, for example, flies transfer bacteria, which passes waste products onto food by their feet. Mosquitoes are vectors for malaria. They suck on one person's blood, then suck another person's blood and pass on pathogens. This is how we stop the spread of infections. Antiseptics are chemicals that stop microbes from multiplying. They are used to treat wounds. Antibacterials are substances that interfere with the growth of bacteria. This term is more used to describe cleaning products. Antibiotic drugs are used to control the infection caused by bacteria. Some of the antibiotics kill the bacteria while others prevent them from multiplying. Antifungal drugs are used to treat fungal infections by killing the fungal cells but not the human cells.
Widespread use of antibiotics has led to strains of bacteria that cannot be treated with antibiotics, for example MRSA. Resistance in bacteria arises because of variation in between bacteria. Some are resistant to antibiotics, some aren't, due to the ongoing exposure to antibiotics. The resistant ones survive and they multiply quickly, passing on their genes to their offspring, which are also resistant to antibiotics. The ones that aren't resistant die, meaning that the majority of the bacteria are resistant to antibiotics.